Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So as we were talking about methods, now we have some types of methods. So the very first type of method is method with no return type and no arguments. What does that mean and how these type of methods are being implemented? Let's just check that out. So firstly, we have to create a method. As we have given in the type name as well, no return type and no arguments. So it means this method, whatsoever method we are going to create, is not going to return us any single value, right? And apart from that, it is neither accepting any values nor it is returning us something. As I have told you in the previous video as well, if the method is not returning anything, you can use the return type name as void. Also, let us assume a very simple example. The name of the method I'm giving is sum. I'm giving up the parenthesis over here, and this is a block of statement where we will be executing some of the statements. So if the method name is sum, it means it is going up to add something. One more important message is, whatever you want a particular method, you're defining a particular method, please give an appropriate name to the method. The name should be relevant to the task assigned to that method. That is very much important. So for now, I will be taking some variables, say A, B, and result I will be taking as. So I'm giving the value A as 20 and the value B, I'll be giving it a value 30. Okay, the very simple operation I'm giving it over here. So in the result variable, I'll be storing A plus B and I will be displaying the value as well over here. Number 1 point, all of these variables are local variables. Okay, so they will be visible or accessible up to the method only. Number 2nd point, I have declared the variables here. Number 1 statement, I have initialized the variables. Number 2nd statement, I have done the operation. Number 3rd statement, and I have displayed it as well. Number 4th operation. So the 4 set of statements I have given it over here, right? All of the task has been assigned, have been given, have been mentioned in the same method. My task will be only to call this method. Okay, so how am I supposed to call or execute this method? Simply create the object of the class, because this method is an element of the class, and to access any element of the class we need to create the objects. ob.sum. Number 1 important point, if I will execute it, first of all, let's just execute it, and it has given us the answer, right? If you can see, it does not return anything to the caller. Who is the caller? The main method is the caller, right? Main method is calling this sum method, correct? Therefore, this sum method is not returning any value to this main method. Therefore, it is called as no return type. No return type means it is not giving any value, returning any value. Therefore, no return type, it means void. Number 2nd important point, when we are calling this sum method, we are not giving it any single value. Therefore, this sum method is not accepting any of the values over here, with which a result, it is defining all of the statements by its own. Therefore, this is called as method with no return type and with no arguments. All of the task has been mentioned over here in this method. Another example for the same type of method I can show you is, say, void display method. This method is going to just show the message, whatever messages you are going to give, say hello world or good morning, good evening, whatsoever messages you want to give it is. Therefore, this is also the same type of method over here. See, so this is the first type of method, that is method with no return type and with no arguments. Hope you guys understand the very first type of method. Thank you very much.